Rare facts about these animals you might not know, but you will know today. 1. The Mandarin goby, or Mandarin dragonet, is the world's most beautiful fish due to its intense, psychedelic blue, orange, and green coloring. Found in the western Pacific Ocean from Malaysia through Australia. 2. Are capybaras friendly? The simple answer here is sure. They are known to be super chill. They get along famously with cats, birds, crocodiles, camels, humans, and everything in between. Monkeys are especially fond of this semi-aquatic animal. They're found in Brazil, especially the Pantanal region. 3. The Akhal-Teke horse, often called the golden horse from Turkmenistan, is widely considered the world's most beautiful horse due to its unique metallic, shimmering coat and elegant, lean, greyhound-like build. Originating in the Karakum Desert, these rare, intelligent, and ancient horses possess a lustrous coat that reflects light, making them look like they are made of metal.